In general, we may anticipate a number of features from the potential exterior of the 2026 model year Renegade RV camper. The exterior will appear sturdy and long-lasting due to the commercial vehicle foundation. The Renegade RV will most likely have design features to increase fuel efficiency and aerodynamics despite its big size. The color schemes will be sophisticated and long-lasting, frequently featuring Renegade RV brand typical images. To keep camping supplies, outdoor equipment, and other possessions, there is a spacious room with an easy-to-open door. Electrical awning to make the space outside the motorhome shaded. For simple access and departure, use an electric or automatic ladder. External LED lights provide a contemporary appearance and effective nighttime lighting. Heavy-duty tires and wheels that fit the chassis of a commercial vehicle. Side and rear cameras to help with parking and maneuvering. Utility hookups for power, water, and sewage are conveniently located. Other choices, for example, outdoor kitchens, bike racks, and exterior entertainment systems. Renegade RVs are known for their spacious interiors. The 2026 Classic CMR model will likely offer several layout options, including a large living room, full kitchen, comfortable bathroom, and separate bedroom. A slide-out feature will likely be used to expand living space when parked. Premium materials are used throughout the interior, including high-quality leather upholstery on sofas, chairs, and headboards. Smooth, durable leather options. Real wood, rich hardwood veneers or solid wood for cabinets, trim, and doors. Elegant wood options such as maple, cherry, or walnut. Solid, long-lasting, and easily cleaned surfaces like corian or pea are frequently seen on kitchen and bathroom worktops. Different sections may have soft carpets, hardwood floors, or ceramic tile. High-end appliances like a home-sized refrigerator and freezer, a multi-burner induction or gas cooktop, a microwave convection oven, a dishwasher, a huge stainless steel sink with a designer faucet, and ample storage space for food and cookware are all features of gourmet kitchens. Large shower with strong water pressure, potentially with a glass door and bench, in an opulent bathroom. Toilet made of porcelain with an effective flushing mechanism. Stylish sink with high-end worktops and storage beneath. Sufficient ventilation and enough lighting. A cozy bedroom including a king or queen-sized bed and a top-notch mattress. Large closet with illumination inside. USB charging nightstand. Selection of a personal entertainment system. High-tech entertainment system with there are many flat-screen TVs in the bedroom, living room, and maybe even outside, all of varying sizes. Speakers positioned thoughtfully throughout a surround sound system. Integrated streaming system or Blu-ray player. Robust internet connectivity via Wi-Fi. Sophisticated indoor lighting system that includes ambient lighting and has several zones and brightness settings. Water/waste tank levels, audio-video systems, lighting, and temperature may all be controlled using a touch panel or smart control system. Optimal storage space for long-distance travel is achieved through the use of cabinets, drawers, and concealed compartments.